I'm definitely way overdue for that. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode in the Honda Civic Mugen SI series. In the last video, we changed out the headlight bulbs in the car, and it looks absolutely amazing at night. Actually, looking out the windshield, it looks like a new car just with the color of the headlights that they are. But if you're new to the channel, welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. And if you're a subscriber, thank you as well. You're probably wondering, based off of the intro shank, are you going to do another oil change video? I've already done 2, and no, I won't bore you guys with that. What I actually did want to do is, I am due for an oil change on the car, and I will change the oil in this video. I'm just going to do probably like a 1-minute time lapse or like a super satisfying oil change video. But what I did want to share was I picked up this, along with all the other Mugen parts that I picked up in Japan. This was also picked up, and this is actually a Mugen Oil Cap, and I think it'll look absolutely amazing in the engine bay. So let's do the oil change, add this cap, and take it from there. Alright, so now that I changed the oil in the car, I think it's time to add this Mugen Oil Cap. The cool thing with this, and let's do an unboxing right here. The cool thing with this oil cap is because of its design. So you can see it's actually all metal, which those are plastic. But the really cool thing is this logo, Mugen Power, it actually is held on by double-sided tape. And you can get it so whenever you pop your hood, this is always center adjusted, which is going to look super cool in there. It'll help clean up the engine bay a little bit too, and just make it flow with that Mugen theme of the car. So within here, all the genuine ones come with a little bit of Mugen literature, and that's it. So let's pop that old oil cap off, add this one in, and see what it looks like. We're just going to take the oil cap, twist it counterclockwise, and that's out of there. And as you can see, one of the things that really sucked about this is when you had the oil cap tightened, it wasn't straight. And for any of us car guys that have OCD, we know how good something looks when it's perfectly centered and straight. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take off the sticker for now, peel this off as well. Alright, so I got that little residue off, and let's first put this on. We're going to tighten it all the way down. Now that we got that on there, I'm just going to take this sticker, align it, and make sure it is straight. And there we go. How good does that look? I think we'll have to find, maybe I could use the K-tuned dipstick, and that will really clean this up, with that being black as well. Or I gotta see if Mugen makes one. That would be really cool. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It looks super cool in there. I love it. It helps flow the theme of this being a Civic Mugen SI. And that is it, guys. We added the Mugen oil cap in there, and it looks absolutely amazing. And if you guys did watch my Japan video of when I visited Tokyo, write down in the comments what part is still left to put onto the vehicle. It's a Mugen part, so let me know what you think. What part is left to add on to? It's the engine bay. I'll give you a hint there. But that is it, guys. It really looks really cool in there. thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're liking, subscribing, and commenting, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.